Yo, ezibhlungu azipheli. UShebex nayi imoto yakhe, ngitheni ujwayele ukuthi every time yena ushaya ama-fans wakhe ngempama. Nangu uShebex kuyena ama-fans wakhe bavele bathatha isitina bashaya imoto yakhe. Yona bayishayile shem. And apparently, allegedly, imoto yakhe it cost about 1 million rand. Asazi i-Golf or i-Golf bani yona leyo. So nje qabanga. So bayishayile i-story asikakasitholi ukuthi why bayibhidlizile imoto yakhe. Asikathola i-story kahle. Guys, ningakhohlwa ukungilandela lapho, ningakhohlwa ukungilandela, ningakhohlwa ukulike le video. Hayibo, nibonile guyzini, uThando akasekho laphayana ku Sip and Tell the Truth or Awkward Dates with Lasizwe. Right, so Ugel was under a contract, for those of you who don't know. So manje uThando mntana bantu guyzini i-contract yakhe iphelile. But then if you watch ilentuzana ku Drink or Tell the Truth between uLasizwe and Sayun Bougie, kunalapho Sayun Bougie ambuzile khona ukuthi manje wena Lasizwe yena umxoshile umnye umntana or washo uLasizwe ukuthi no, isizathu esenza ukuthi simdedele uThando ukuthi we no longer had questions for yena because of now the questions were becoming repetitive, you know. Sesimbuzile ngoSasha, ngoPhanda, you know. So yeah, so I really do understand, and the reason why they kept her, even though like from her side bekungasena like any interesting vavavoom, is because of the contract. So the contract has come to an end. Kodwa ke mina ngingakhulumela abantu thi basikhulumele ke.
I did not get fired. I did not get fired. I was supposed to be a host for 10 episodes. Yeah. So there was a contract, a written contract. And I was supposed to be your guys' host for 10 episodes. Now that the 10 episodes are done, the contract is chai. So that's why I'm no longer your host. I was originally